BHP has announced it will shut down all its nickel operations in Western Australia from 2027, putting 3,000 jobs at risk. The mining giant says it's a challenging time for the nickel sector, citing an oversupply in the global market for its decision.
The decision to suspend all of BHP's nickel operations in WA will not only impact its 3,000 employees, it will also impact regional towns and communities. The mining giant will suspend operations at the Kwinana Nickel Refinery south of Perth, the Kalgoorlie Nickel Smelter in the Goldfields and the Mt Keith and Leinster mines.
We remain committed to working with them on responsible transition plans, which also include the establishment of a community fund of $20 million.
BHP has offered its frontline workers, about 70% of the workforce, an immediate job within the company.
1,600 people, all of our frontline workers will be given a job guarantee should they choose, to ensure that they've got the opportunity, should they choose, to have a job within BHP.
The transition period will begin from this month. Operations will be suspended in October, and handover activities for temporary suspension will be completed by the end of the year.
We'll continue to evaluate the decision. During that period of time, we are continuing to invest in the business to preserve the asset of over $450 million.
It's been a challenging period for the Western Australian nickel industry, which has been driven by an oversupply of overseas nickel in places like Indonesia. Australia is the world's 5th largest nickel producer, but high labour costs and a lack of demand is slowing the country's production. The mining giant says the decision to temporarily halt its operations will be reviewed in February 2027. Crystal Wu, Sky News Perth.